Hey Galaxy family, imagine locking the full power of your S25 Ultra with features you probably didn't even know existed. So from stretching your battery life, to pinning the most important info on screen, to even creating AI-powered magic, so this phone is more powerful than most people realize. So today I'm going to walk you through 7 hidden gems on the Galaxy S25 Ultra that will save you time, boost performance, and make your phone work smarter for you. But before we start, I need your help. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends, because the more you do, the more YouTube pushes this video out and the stronger our community becomes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any tips and tricks coming your way. So let's begin. So feature number 1 is where you can pin important screenshots on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you can take a screenshot of the important information like a ticket, QR code, or a shopping list and pin it directly on your screen so it floats above the other apps. So let me show you how you can use this feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here's an example. I'm looking for a ticket. So let's just say, for example, this location to this location on the 21st of October. I'll go ahead and hit search. And now I'll go ahead and open up another tab. And here I'll go ahead and look another ticket for the same date, however from another website. So we'll go ahead and do a search. Now after this, we'll go ahead and look at what prices we're getting. So from kayak.com, I'm getting £222. So I want to go ahead and compare this price with the one which I've seen on Skyscanner. So in order to compare this, I can go ahead and turn on a feature called pinning AI select screenshots. So to do this, I want to go ahead and open up my Edge panel, open up AI select. Now I want to go ahead and draw a circle around the stuff I want to pin. So for example, this one here. Now I'll go ahead and use the pin button here. So now this will basically pin that screenshot and it will basically leave it on screen for me to move it anywhere I like. Now I'll go ahead and move it down here. Now I'll go back to my other tab. Here I'll go ahead and look through these prices and see from where I can get a cheaper deal. So as you can see, Skyscanner is giving me same ticket, same airlines is giving me £224, while kayak.com is giving me £222, so £2 cheaper. I'll keep looking. I've got one cheaper price here, however it's not direct. And like this, I can go ahead and compare the cheapest tickets or anything which I need to compare on screen. So this basically saves you time from constantly switching between apps. So it's perfect for when you're navigating with a QR code, maybe copying details or multitasking, or maybe comparing air tickets like this. So your important info always stays visible, always within reach. Even when I press home, that information will still stay on screen. So let's just say, for example, if I'm doing this in the office and I want to go home and look at it later on, I can go ahead and leave it on screen like this. And then I can go ahead and switch it off, lock it. And now when you come back to it, it is still on my home screen. So I can now go back to this. I can go ahead and purchase my tickets. Feature number 2 is where you can increase your battery lifespan. So your Samsung S25 Ultra offers 3 battery care options. So it's basic, adaptive, and maximum. So if you choose the right one, it'll basically increase your battery lifespan. So let me show you first where to find this information. So here we'll go ahead and open the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down, and you want to find battery. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find battery protection. You want to go ahead and switch this feature on, tap on this, and as I said before, you have 3 options. So basic, adaptive, and maximum. In the basic, you have a standard charging speed with no optimization. So when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then it'll charge again. However, Samsung does recommend not to fully charge it at 100%, as this will basically reduce its lifetime. So keeping your battery at full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. So you need to go ahead and choose an option below which will be suitable for you. So here, by default, it switches to basic. Now the next care option which you can choose is your adaptive. So this basically learns your charging habits and reduces the wear by limiting high capacity charging when not needed. So as it reads, it'll stop charging at 80% while you're asleep, and it switches back to basic before you wake up. So sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage pattern. Now the next care option is maximum. So maximum will basically cap charging at 85% or whatever you choose here from here, 80% to 95%. And this will basically significantly extend long-term battery health. So by choosing the right mode for your lifestyle, you prevent unnecessary strain on the battery. So over the months and years, This helps maintain battery capacity, meaning your S25 Ultra will last longer without needing a replacement. I usually just keep it at adaptive so that it basically stops charging 80%. However, it learns from my sleeping habit. Just before it gets up, the battery will then charge to 100%, and that will basically leave my phone for 100% for the full day. Feature number 3 is where you can set alarm quickly with voice. So instead of tapping through all this menu here, going into the clock app, tapping on alarm, going ahead and tapping one of these and then going ahead and setting it, you can basically do this all by voice. So let me demonstrate this for you. So here we'll be using Google Gemini. You can also use Bixby, but Google Gemini is on by default already. So I'll say, hey Google, please set an alarm for today at 6 p.m. as I need to go shopping.
I set an alarm for today at 6 p.m. with the label Go Shopping.
Hey Gemini, open the clock app. And as you can see, there's an alarm set here for 6 p.m. to go to shopping. So this is hands-free, lightning fast, and ensures you never miss an important wake-up call or a reminder, even if your hands are busy or you're half asleep. So you can do this also half asleep. So for example, you're in bed and the phone is on the bedside. Hey Google, set an alarm for tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Your alarm has been set for tomorrow, August 19th, 2025 at 7 p.m.
Please change that to 7 a.m.
I've changed your alarm to tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Feature number 4 is where you can straighten horizon in images. So Galaxy AI allows you to straighten tilted photos without cropping out important details. So it intelligently fills in the missing edges so your photo looks natural and professional. So let me show you how to do this. So here I've taken a picture of my 2 plants on my desk setup here. However, I've taken it quite slanted, so the horizon is not straight. So I can go ahead and press edit, change this around. But as you can see, if I try to correct the horizon, I'm losing all these details here. So I'm losing a bit of my plant which I've taken. So in order to do this, you'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI. So here we'll go ahead and open this image in gallery, and then we'll go ahead and use this Galaxy AI button. Now here we'll go ahead and play around with the horizon. So I feel like this is leveled. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now once I do this, Galaxy AI will take all these empty spaces and will fill it up with what's already there. And there you go. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Now I can go ahead and tap on save copy. And now I can go ahead and compare both of these. So I'm not losing out anything at all when I'm leveling the horizon. And I'm getting everything filled on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So you don't lose precious parts of your images when you're straightening, which is perfect for travel shots, architecture, photos, and any moments you want to preserve in full details. Feature number 5 is where you can activate a floating widget window. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can enable a special swipe gesture that opens up a floating widget window like this. So this window can host multiple widgets you set, like music control, calendar, notes, or weather. So they're always accessible with one swipe. So here I've enabled my Samsung Health, battery, and a dino game from Google. So I can go ahead and activate it just by swiping right. And I can go ahead and host all these different widgets on this floating window. So let me show you how to do this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we'll go ahead and open up the One Hand Operation Plus. Now we'll go ahead and use whatever widgets we have. So for example, I want to go ahead and use this left handle. I'll tap on this. Now I want to go ahead and set something similar to where if I swipe right from my left side, then a widget should pop up. So from this list, you're going to find the widget pop-up option. So this is the widget pop-up you need to choose. Go ahead and tap on settings and turn on this feature called widget page looping. So it basically loops from the end page to the first page. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and swipe right, and then you can go ahead and look at this widget window. If you want to add a widget, you can go ahead and long press on this. You'll get this menu. You can go ahead and choose if you want to add pages, if you want to add widgets, or if you want to change the pop-up size. So you can have like a 4x1, you can have a 4x4, or you can have a 4x5. So it's totally up to you. So instead of placing widgets on your home screen, you can go ahead and have this floating widget window on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So it's like having a personal dashboard that pops up anywhere on your screen. So instead of digging through apps, you get instant access to your most used tools, all in one convenient place, making multitasking smoother and faster. Feature number 6 is where you can create transparent images. So with AI Select, you can instantly remove backgrounds from an image and save them as a transparent PNG. So here in an example, you can use AI Select anywhere on Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram. So here I'll go ahead and use Google to create transparent images. So as an example, we'll go ahead and create a transparent image of this person here. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and turn on AI Select. Now AI Select has detected this picture here. So in order to remove the background and create a transparent image, we'll go ahead and long press on the person here. AI Select will now select that person, discarding the background. Now here we can go ahead and save it as a sticker, or we can go ahead and save it as an image. So because I want to save it as an image, I'll go ahead and tap on that. This will now save that image into my gallery. So as you can see, this has now been saved as a transparent image in my gallery. Now I can go ahead and use this image anywhere I like. So let's just say, for example, I want to go ahead and take this image and I'll go ahead and place it on this image here. So because it's a transparent image, no background is coming in. So you can go ahead and do this without any issues. So this is perfect for content creation, memes, presentations, or product listing. So no longer needing complicated editing software, just tap, select, and save it. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you can add screenshot button to your navigation bar. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can basically customize your navigation bar and add a dedicated screenshot button. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Navistar module, which is right here. Now we'll go ahead and turn this feature on. And then we'll go ahead and tap on New Configuration. Now we'll go ahead and tap on Button Layout. And we'll go ahead and tap on Add a Button. So from here, we'll go ahead and find the Screen Capture button. So currently, these are our buttons. However, I want to go ahead and add the Screen Capture button. So once that's done, tap on that, press Done. Go ahead and press Save. Now scroll all the way down until you see your configuration which you created. So the Screen Capture button and the normal buttons. Tap on this. And now when you press Home, you'll see your Screen Capture button right here. To use it, go ahead and tap on this, and this will take a screenshot. So you can go ahead and open anything and take a screenshot, and this will quickly take a screenshot for you. So no more awkward button combos or swiping. Just one tap, you've captured your screen. So it's quick, efficient, and it's customizable to your preference. And that's it. 7 features that make your S25 Ultra unstoppable. From AI photo magic to battery saving tricks and smarter multitasking, you've now got everything you need to level up your smartphone game. So if you found even one of these tips useful, please smash that like button, drop a comment telling me your favorite feature, and share this video with your friends, because the more you share, the faster our community grows. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so you're the first one to catch my next Galaxy S25 Ultra tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.